Let's make a ladybug. It'll be your little masterpiece. Let's take 4 colors of clay. Indigo, red, white, and black. Please make a box. Take a piece of indigo clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll it into a carrot with your hand. And pin it with your finger. Rotate it and make the mouth with a pencil. Then rotate and bend it with your fingers. Great job! The body is done. Model antennas. Take a piece of indigo clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. And bend them with your fingers. You've done it! Antennas are done! It's time to make teeth. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 little ball. Roll into a sausage with your fingers. Then pin with your fingers. And make a cut with a cutter. Hooray! Teeth are done. Let's model eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 middle balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Well done! Eyes are done! It's time to make pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 little balls. Hooray! Pupils are done. Now make legs. Take a piece of indigo clay and roll 6 middle balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. And bend them with your fingers. Super! Come on! Legs are done. Let's make wings. Take a piece of red clay and roll 2 big balls. Then connect them with your hands. And roll big ball. Hooray! Wings are done. Model spots. Take a piece of black clay and roll 5 little balls. Then flatten them with your finger. Well done! Spots are done. Your ladybug is a real wonder. You shouldn't stop.
I was dreaming of being in your collection. Which of my best friends do you think wants to be in it too?